Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart, and it is a 5-door, so very, very lovely. And this one is here today for a Turbo Smart 3-port boost solenoid and another map. So let's see what power we make. Okay, white Ralliart in the house, 5-door, like these.
Take three.
Let's not go there. It's got a Jacksonville manifold on it. It's got an induction kit on it. It's got a EcuTek front mount. It's fully decatted. I believe it's got a Gizfab downpipe on it. We fitted today a 3-port, and then our Richard's been mapping away.
Yeah, we just fitted a 3-port today. I think it's got custom exhaust on it.
Yeah, I think so.
Like a custom sort of exhaust on, probably 2 1/4. Made good power. I mean, obviously what you expect. Generally, the difference between this car is obviously, I think it's had a few modifications since we previously mapped it. And then obviously we fitted the 3-port, which obviously gives us a lot better boost control. So whilst the numbers are not staggering in that respect, where obviously the standard boost solenoid, you get a little spike at the start, and obviously it lolls and dips and goes, we've actually smoothed the boost curve right out. When you look at that overlay, it's a much nicer curve.
Yeah, that's because you've got control over it.
Yeah, you've got control, and obviously you can set it. So yes, whilst the numbers are not staggering, I think like from 212 to 220.
Yeah.
So like you said, it doesn't sound like a lot, but then when you do look at the power difference under the curve, it's made more power everywhere, and it's a lot more linear and smooth.
Yeah. We use EcuTek to map these. EcuTek software. This one already had a license, so it was cheaper to map it today for him again. So we've mapped, as Richard says, we've mapped this before. But yeah, I think he's going to be dead happy with that. Dropped a few flames, always my favourite part.
Yeah, always your favourite part. And to be fair, the file that we just took off the internet and flashed onto it went really well, didn't it?
That's sarcasm. For those of you who don't know, we've spent the last sort of 2 hours custom tuning this one. It's probably done about 30 pulls on the dyno and some sweeps, and it's basically custom tuned. So people don't understand sarcasm sometimes.
No, they don't. Well, it was just for the haters, really, because we've got a little fanboy Colt hater group, and they just seem to think that we
eat biscuits.
That we eat biscuits and just flash files that we get from the internet, which I don't know where you would get them
Mate,
from.
Even if we did, I love my life. And
Yeah,
I'll keep doing it.
I'll keep doing it.
If you could just copy and paste me some success, that'd be amazing.
Yeah, copy and paste. Yeah.
Maybe other people.
Oh, that was the other thing as well. We copy and paste maps, don't we? That was right.
Yeah.
Just
if you could just
paste.
copy and paste yourself a successful 12-year-old business, that'd be amazing.
Yeah,
mate.
that would be great. Yeah. Anyway, shall we have a look at the graph?
Let's look at the graph. So there we go. We just copy and paste that graph straight from another one there. Only joking. So as you can see, we've held. This is basically the result of holding boost and being able to control boost better. So red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and we finished today on 200. I'm calling that 220 brake horsepower, which is 202 at the wheels. Yeah, another one in the bag. Done loads of these and probably continue to do loads of these. But there you go, a nice Colt Ralliart 5-door. Code word for this is 3-port. So stick that down in the comments below if you bothered to get to this point of the video. And we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, Richard?
Well, indeed.
Where are you going? Oh, okay. See you in a bit.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.